Good afternoon, one and all present here. I welcome you all for this webinar on industry examples of big data. In particular, big data in digital marketing. Today we have to discuss about. Just wait. One person came. Today we have to discuss about the role of digital marketing in big data. What is the impact of big data in digital marketing? What is the role of big data in digital marketing? How we can effectively utilize the big data in digital marketing? So we have to discuss everything. It's my personal request. You must attend the meeting before 5 minutes in the next section. Otherwise, don't come to virtual room. So one of the example for the digital marketing now itself, you know very well, a lot of digital marketings are available. Amazon, Flipkart, anything are available. Everything is called as a big data in digital marketing. Okay. Now, what is the role of big data in digital marketing? Nowadays, currently, there are a major role played by the big data for the running of the digital marketing. So, most of the informations actually provided in the big data era are carried out by means of an enterprise. So, enterprise management and maintaining big data are going to have more accurate and advanced strategic marketing decisions. So in order to take some strategic marketing decisions, in order to take some maintain the customer relationship within the organization, within the enterprise and prices and other kinds of customer market oriented relationship, we require this digital marketing in information technology. What are the major concepts available in digital marketing? You know very well. There are various algorithms, there are various methods, there are various approaches are applied in order to sell or buy items from company or to company. Okay. So this kind of digital marketing that is this big data allow digital marketers to acquire better insights and transparency in an organization. So we can analyze the better insights based on the digital marketers oriented organization. They maintain a transparency of buying and selling details. So a big data plays a key role in digital marketing strategy. Without the consent between the customer and the buyer, that is customer and marketer, everything is carried out. We don't know who is supplying our equipment, and also a company does not know, a market people does not know who is purchased without viewing their face and without viewing their information, whatever the thoughts actually available based on the customer service or not. Everything is not known by the marketers. Okay, so for this the digital marketing strategy is carried out by means of using this big data. How the big data influencing digital market strategy? Now you know very well, a lot of informations are available. The millions and the billions of informations are available. Millions and billions of information are available means. So how we can effectively utilize for the business purposes? What are the kinds? What are the methods? What are the techniques available in order to effectively running your business in terms of customer relationship management? Okay. Now, how the big data? What is the role of the big data? What is the impact of the big data? How the big data are replaced for the purpose of running business efficiently and effectively. These things are carried out. Most of the big data informations are stored in the cloud. You know very well, the big data informations are stored in the cloud. Whatever the information available in the cloud are extracted by many people. So these peoples are extracting a large amount of data. The large amount of data are extracted for the purpose of only running the enterprises business smoothly. This is the main concept of using this big data. Now, what is the influencing digital marketing strategy of big data? So big data helps an enterprise to understand their customers. So in order to understand their customers, the big data helps for the enterprise, for the marketers, for the companies. Okay, it steers a service provider to place the data in more innovative and stable way when designing a product for a potential customer. Right. So the big data gives a product model which is deliberately involved, which deliberately available the information about the company, the product, and everything in the by means of this big data concept. So the service provider able to utilize this concept, the visualization techniques, how the products are visualized, all these things are exactly carried out. Okay, as the world becomes more digital, nowadays the digital era are going on. So the world is running on the digital era. Okay. Now enterprises have enormous data in deal with it. In order to deal all this data by means of the enterprises, the digital marketing technology is mostly adopted by many people. So, okay, big data pulls out all the valuable data that can trigger companies' benefits. Most of the big data are going to extract for the benefits of the companies. Okay, this is the main concept. Then what is the role of big data in digital marketing? Role of big data in digital marketing. So this session we discuss about the big data in digital marketing. Also we have another concepts, big data in healthcare, big data in risk management, big data in fraud detection and other things. Everything is available. These things are discussed in later. Now, what is the role of big data in digital marketing? The big data plays a key role in digital marketing strategy. Already we know that very well. The immense group of data that is analyzed computationally to release conclusions and to show the company's ongoing discovery. Whether my screen PPT shared, say in WhatsApp. Okay. Now it has transformed how business use evaluate their customers' behavior around the world. So the big data are used for identifying the customer's behavior. Identifying the customer's behavior, the informations are exactly utilized. Okay. Now, what are the various analyzing tools are available? There are various kinds of analyzing tools, analyzing trends. The past data are identified, the current data are identified. In future, what the information needed for the customers, everything is analyzed by means of these concepts. Okay. Marketers are continuously focusing on predictive analytics as it provides significant insights. In the business intelligence, nowadays the business intelligence concept is incorporated with the computer technology. So in which the highest topic discussed using the computer technology, that is information technology, is predictive analytics. The predictive analytics involves business intelligence, how efficiently run the business by means of the technology-oriented transformations. That is the study of the predictive analytics. How we can able to predict the information, how we can able to analyze the information, what are the essentials, what are the need for the customers, everything is discussed in predictive analytics. Okay. Also, it helps to plan how they can successfully engage their customers using this topic, how the customers are engaged successfully, and using the data from their company's database, how the customers are extracting the information, how the demand is forecasted, what kind of demand is actually required for the customers, and how we can optimally utilize all these information by adopting some special kind of information technology oriented algorithmic approaches. These things are discussed. Okay. Now the role of the big data in digital marketing. you know, you know very well, real-time customer insights. This is the role of the big data in digital marketing. Real-time customer insights. So real-time customers, how the informations are actually performed. Some people are having some sentiment in order to purchase some special kind of items, some color-oriented products, some color shape-oriented products, some special kind of products. So sentiment analysis is play a vital role in real-time customer insights, because sometimes they require only some kind of products that may be available if it is available in the net, then it is okay. Otherwise, it is not possible. So the customer's sentiment is involved in this process. Then what is personalized targeting? So big data helps marketers to create a target and personalized campaigns. It is known as the one-to-one marketing. So examples of personalized marketing is product recommendation. A particular product to be recommended to the particular group of customers. Targeted emails by a targeted advertisements, everything is carried out. Then what is increasing sales? How we can able to increase their sales by means of what category? Whether it is in online or other kind of product oriented visualization techniques. What type of techniques are carried out? What strategy is carried out? These things are increasing the sales, which increase the sales, advertisementing, and direct campaign, and other things involves in this increasing sales topic. Okay, that improves the efficiency of a marketing campaign. How the campaign is actually carried out. For this, there are two kinds are exactly available: predictive analytics with the data visualization. How your product are visualized in an effective manner is the data visualization. So by means of chart, by means of figure, that is visual figure, photo, and by means of text, you can explain how your product is differ from other product. Everything is discussed. Okay. What is the budget optimization? So compared with your other companies' product, like your same type of kind of product, your product must less cost. Then only it is possible to buy your product more effectively by means of the large customers, large amount of customers. So this is the another optimization. It's called as a budget optimization. Then based on the budget only they purchase. The measuring the campaigns results more accurately. So after the campaign, how the peoples are identified, how the peoples are understand your campaign information. So what are the suppose if they are not available, they are not identified your campaigns, how effectively you can analyze the information. These things are discussed. Okay. The next concept is impact of big data in digital marketing. According to research and the marketers, the market for global cognitive computing is expected to reach 12.5 billion by 2019. So global cognitive computing is expected to reach 12.5 billion by, that is market-oriented customer and marketer information are available. There are 3 or 4 kinds of impact available in digital marketing which uses the big data. First one is personalized targeting. As marketed by the researchers, one of the noble value brought by big data into digital marketing is that marketers saw a decline in their expenses, plus were able to increase their product development process. Okay, so a researcher must know your innovative idea, must know the how to visualize your product, how to download the big data, how to utilize the big data for the running of the digital marketing. Everything is discussed in this. So personalized, the personal interest is actually taken care about in it. besides the ability to engage the customer on a large scale. So large number of customers are available. I mean, so how we can able to engage all the customers, how we can fulfill the need of a customer. What is the role, special kind of algorithmic oriented approach and a special kind of techniques available in big data. How the big data can also be used in increasing personalized campaign targeting individuals in the marketers campaign. How helpful for running the business, everything is available. In which the customer behavior also evolved. Okay, for example, all the e-commerce sites use big data to accumulate information from a simple online registration form to have a deeper insights into the customer shopping behavior. Nowadays, we are purchasing many things from the uh, online, from online platform. So it's a simple registration is enough. A simple online registration is enough in order to buy the customer, that is buy a product. So the e-commerce the concept is actually carried out. That what is called as e-commerce sites. There are various e-commerce sites are available. Transaction carried out through online is called as e-commerce. So every transaction is carried out online only for the purpose. Now the other kind is uplift the sales chart. Currently, how many items are sold for a period, for 1 month or for a year or for a week or for a day? How the marketers identify using the big data concept. The big data actually automatically the entire sales activity and help to marketers to create more effective algorithmic marketing model for their businesses. Automatically, big data analysis, big data concepts analysis how the marketers and the buyer and the customer relationship are exactly carried out. How many people are buying the items, how many people are not buying the items, just viewing the items, then they neglect our product. Everything is carried out. So the model uses self-directing and advanced data explanation to establish an appropriate value. This is the another approach. There are various kinds of approaches, campaigns, and customer-oriented interactions and other kind of informations are available. Retailers use big data mostly nowadays. For instance, online retailers use big data approaches in order to visualize their products information, visualize their prices, visualize their comparative analysis, visualize their information about the products. Everything is carried out. Okay. Now, other kind is enhanced equipped to target. How we can cover the targeted audience, targeted customers. How we can get able to get the large number of customers. So, using your equipped information, your equipment oriented information are mostly used for analyzing this, enhancing the equipped target customers. So we can get the feedback from the customers after some times they place in your product. We will carry it out to surveys. We will carry out an interview directly when after that is when by going to their individual personal websites or personal home or personal area. Everything is actually involved in this. Okay, so there are various researchers are doing their research work. How the frequently the customers' informations are needed. The frequent based on the frequent items to consulting data. Already you know that very well. Okay, the future of digital marketing with big data. So big data has transformed the way businesses used to spend and generate the revenues. As usual, the digital marketing with big data mostly used for what purpose? Generating the revenues. So, according to International Data Corporation (IDC), $122 billion revenues are happened between the year 2015 in the year 2015 and 187 billion in 2019. So this is by means of this digital marketing and big data. Okay. Now this is the information. Now there are various enterprises using their own strategies in order to visualize, in order to carry out their business in future. So what are the features are available? So most of the marketers and business people's aim used to return their investment. In order to return their investment only, most of the peoples are exactly running their business. Okay, what is the future? The another features. So some Minkowski studied how different sectors will withdraw significant financial benefits from the big data. US healthcare will generate this kind of billion value per year. US retail will see 60% increase their net margin and quote like that. These are some marketing campaigns, marketing strategies actually carried out. So there are various kinds. Big data has raised the opportunities for organizations to use data to track benefits and customers, companies' activities across the world. Everything is carried out. So, according to New Vantage Partners Big Data Exclusive Survey, 48.4% of corporate executives say that yes, they are achieved measurable results using this big data concepts. Okay, what are the core digital marketing techniques nowadays available? Big data, including market and customer insight, predictive analytics, content marketing communities, branded niche or vertical communities, content marketing communities, the content based, but the information based marketing communities, conversion, conversion rate optimization, CRO, improving website experiences based on the that is a conversion rate, that is based on the website information and the product are purchased by many people. So display how the information are displayed, banner on publishers, networks, social media, including targeting and programmatic, and everything is carried out. Nowadays, Internet of Things playing a virtual role. Marketing applications. There are various marketing applications available in Internet of Things. Marketing automation, CRM, customer relationship management, behavioral email marketing, and web personalizations are actually other kind. Then other one is mobile marketing. Nowadays, mobile marketing is very famous. That is mobile advertising, site development, and apps. Then paid search marketing, Google AdWords for pay per click. Okay, pay for transaction. Google Pay gives some what points, free points. You can if you use this kind of digital marketing. Paid search marketing, these are called as. Okay, online product, including influencer outreach, how the online products are actually carried out, partnerships, then search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, yes, you know very well what is the use of the search engine, how we can browse some information about a particular item and everything is carried out. Then social media marketing. So nowadays social media marketing is very famous. Social customer relationship management, social customer care. Every customer care is mostly carried out in healthcare information, in the hospitals. Okay, wearables, Apple Watch, activity trackers, augmented reality. These are all wearables. Through these wearables, we can carry out this big data marketing concept. And how marketers can use big data for digital marketing. So marketing plays a significant role in success of any businesses that offers relationship between customer and organization. You know very well everything is carried out. How the significant, what is the significant role of this customer and the organization uh, based on this kind of big data concept. Hence, it is very important to have strong marketing strategies to understand the market, competitors, customers, and more. So for that, companies need to focus on big data. So marketing without data is like driving without your eyes closed. Right. So this is the main concept. Marketing without data. The data is market. Without data, the market is opened. How we can, which is we actually call it as driving with your eyes closed. Okay, this is the concept. And how marketers can use big data for digital marketing success. First, you understand the target audiences. Then you create the marketing campaigns based on the understanding the audience, who are the audience are available. Based on the audiences, based on the customers, you can create the marketing campaigns. Then find out your price optimization, whether your price is optimized compared with other people's, which is less or high. Your quality oriented services carried out, everything is uh, discussed in this better idea of competition. So you got to compete with the other people's based on your same kind of items, that is products. This is the information. Then an insight for industry condition. Based on your condition only, you can share some information. So this is another kind of. Now, what is the new school of marketing? This is available in your textbook. This figure is actually carried out from your textbook. First, you accusation to acquire your information about the businesses. Then you, by means of conversation, by means of some relationship, by means of some capturing some permissions from capturing information. After acquiring your knowledge from various sources, you can run the businesses. This entire thing is discussed based on the business re-permission, win back, strictness, repurchase, and the conversation. Everything is involved in this. So, for what purpose these things? By means of what media they are all used? By email you can come in, by mobile advertisement, social network advertisement, web-based advertisement. The new school of marketing is nowadays cast. The new school of marketing, they cross channel lifestyle marketing approach. This is the cross channel lifestyle marketing approach actually nowadays. What is the impact of this kind of marketing in our life? Okay, other terms of big data in digital marketing is already I know that I informed the sentiment analysis, product recommendation, how the people are recommended, and the products, your products are recommended by customers to other people's or not. Targeted emails, how many emails you send within this emails, how many people are purchased, everything is discussed. More targeted ads, advertisements are carried out by how many people. Based on the advertisement of how many customers are arriving to your company, then everything is carried out by means of predictive analytics. Already I know explain what is the use of the predictive analytics. Price optimization. So this involves the very big role in the big data analytics. Then data visualization. Data visualization means based on your product, how the information are visualized. These things are. So big data and digital marketing, how they are nowadays visualized by means of WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and other kinds, LinkedIn, and other kinds of Skype, and the various kind of informations are available in order to forecast your forecast your products. Okay, this is the main marketing strategy. The crucial elements to grow your businesses. These are all the social media, social networks available in order to explore your businesses, in order to reach the customers' information, in order to, that is to reach the your information to the customers. These things are placed. Okay, what is the conclusion? Marketing specialist can use big data analysis in different ways, and for that they have to identify what they want to achieve from big data analysis. So most of the marketing specialists they can use big data analysis in different ways. Okay, yeah, marketing specialist, each and every person must use their own ways, their own capabilities, their own style of running the business. So for that, what is the role of this big data? So for running their business, the big data plays a very essential role, so that they can take advantages of the insight based on their requirements. So based on their requirements, what they want to sell, what they want to visualize, what they want to produce, what they want to increase their capabilities, how many people are required to campaign, everything is discussed. Okay. So a perfect strategy with big data will ensure will surely help marketers to share better marketing plans. This is the other kind of plans. So the perfect strategy is carried out based on the big data. Definitely, the marketers will understand, will run efficiently their marketing. They can plan their marketing plans very effectively and efficiently. Okay, this is the simple idea about the digital marketing. If you have any questions, you can ask. Now, otherwise, I will end with the program. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.